Welcome to Nicolium Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player to Windows 10. First thing you have to do, you have to connect your PC to network. Mine is normally connected to Wi-Fi. Other things you have to do, you have to open browser. I'm like using Google Chrome. Then you have to type VLC in search bar. Then click to this pop-up VLC download. You have to open this official website on the first press. Then you have seen download button. You have to click it. Then wait for download to start. When you see at the top of the corner, right corner, you have to see when download is started. As you can see here, download has been started. Then you have to wait for download to get to the end. After, if download ends, you have to locate that file in download folder. As you can see, VLC is here. You have to right click on it, then run as administrator or double click on it, then ask for administrator permission, then you have to click yes. And here you have to click next, leave everything as it is by default. You have to click only next, then OK. Installing process is started. Then you have to wait for it to get to the end. Once end, you have to click finish button. For now, VLC is now installed on our Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Hit subscribe button